Good morning, Friday the 11th of April. This is our last day at Blarney campsite, so I thought I'd give you a quick show around. Behind me is the reception. There's a pitch and putt area, pay extra for that, but stunning place, lovely campsite. You can see the scenery behind me, absolutely beautiful, right on top of a hill. And again, lovely clear morning. Lots of dew around today. Do a bit of drying up later. Don't quite know where we're going today. I'm going to ask at reception, see if there's something we missed. Yesterday we did Skibbereen, Cobh, another place, I'll put it in the video. Cobh, not quite as impressive as I thought it was going to be. Skibbereen was okay, and the little village we went to, the fishing village, was very nice. But we'll see what happens today. I'll bring you along for the journey.
This world alone. If the sea has hushed his voice, then hush me with it too, and let the sun rise over us with morning dressed in dew. If he cries, then I will cry. If he sings, I'll sing on high. If he's lost beneath the tide, then I'll go where love can't die. Let me bloom where he may rest, a red flower on his chest. Let no stranger's shadow fall where he was mine, my love, my all. If he cries,